The mission of the Gift Education Foundation is to develop and expose underserved youth through innovative and immersive STEM and STEAM programming that explores STEM and STEAM in academics and prepares them for successful careers in STEM and STEAM related areas.
Vision is an atmosphere where the synergy between STEAM academics and STEAM careers produce generations of successfully divergent leaders in the workforce.
Greetings and hello. My name is Rachel Patrick and I am the founder of the Gift Education Foundation, a STEAM-focused 501c3 organization. Welcome to our inaugural year. It's September of 2023 and we've got amazing, innovative, and out-of-the-box programming planned for this year. I surely hope you stay tuned. But first, September is National Blood Cancer Awareness Month. Please take some time to watch this very informative and educational snippet of a video discussing blood cancer and how you can help. Thanks so much. See you guys later.
My name is Charlotte Irvin-Joseph, and I'm a scientist. I went to Meharry Medical College and got a degree in molecular biology and genetics with a focus in biomedical engineering and cancer biology. I did basic cancer research at Vanderbilt University and Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, Texas. Being that one of my specialties is cancer biology, I'm going to talk to you about blood and their related blood cancers. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is, what is blood? Technically, blood is a transport fluid. In its most fundamental definition, blood is a fluid that is pumped by the heart to all parts of the body in order to transport oxygen and nutrients to the cells via arteries, while simultaneously the same pumping mechanism carries away carbon dioxide and other waste products back to the heart via veins. And then this process is repeated all throughout the day. So blood in and of itself has four main components: plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Blood has many different functions, including transporting oxygen and nutrients to the lungs and other tissues, forming clots to prevent excess blood loss, as well as immune response. So as I said before, those four components, meaning plasma, which is comprised of coagulants, the main component of which is fibrinogen, and they aid in blood clotting. Red blood cells carry oxygen and carbon dioxide via their heme group. This also contributes to the shape of your red blood cell. You have white blood cells, which fight and prevent infection and defend the body against other foreign materials. And then you have the platelets, which are also known as thrombocytes, and they react to bleeding from blood vessel injury by clumping and thereby initiating the blood clotting process. So getting to the meat of this, what is cancer? When we think of cancer in its most basic definition, cancer is when abnormal cells are able to thrive and divide in an uncontrolled way. So, how does cancer actually come about? Well, in a healthy body, cells grow, die, and are replaced in a highly ordered and regulated way. This is a critical issue in cancer because cancer cells do not obey or require normal signals for division and death. This can also be added to or precipitated by damage or change in the genetic material of cells, and that can be via the environment or internal factors that contribute to this cell's ability to quote unquote buck the system, leading to an accumulation of a mass of abnormal cells, which is also referred to as a tumor. What is blood cancer specifically? Blood cancer is a type of cancer that affects your blood cells. Blood cancer is caused by changes, or what we in the science world call mutations, in the DNA within blood cells. This causes the blood cells to start behaving abnormally. In almost all cases, these changes are linked to things we cannot control, and they happen during a person's lifetime. So these are not necessarily things that are genetic faults or dispositions that you can pass on from generation to generation. Blood cancers represent about 10% of all cancers diagnosed in the United States each year. They contribute an estimated 3% of all cancer related deaths. The most common type of cancer in children and adolescents younger than 20 years old is leukemia at 25.1%. Leukemia is the second leading cause of cancer deaths, and this is after cancers of the brain and other nervous tissues among children and adolescents younger than 20 years old. The 5-year survival rate, which is the percentage of people who are still alive 5 years after they are diagnosed, is 66.7% for leukemia, so approaching approximately 70%. So, what can we do to help? At its basic form, time is everything for patients, survivors, and their families and friends. For blood cancer patients, blood transfusions provide critical clotting factors, proteins, and antibodies that they need to help them fight back. Donated blood products help keep their organs functioning and provide them the strength to help them feel better. If you are of age or know someone who is, I highly recommend you be a blood donor and get on the blood marrow registry for donation. I hope this was informative. Thank you.